Ouch, Maggie. Ow. What else do you want to do? And then you're going to do this one, right?
Okay, Meg, open it up.
Over here. No, you want to open that one.
What?
Oh, Megan. This one's from Dada. This one's from Dada. Rip. Ooh. Oh, bumper car, Maggie. Got a bumper car. Yeah. Just like Taylor and Elise. Just like Taylor. You love one of these, Maggie. And you got one for your birthday. Take it. Just like Tay-Tay.
Just like Tay-Tay.
Want to take the box off and ride it for a little bit? Yeah. Maggie, okay, pick your next present. Your next present. You want to open this one? No, that one. Okay. Yep. You ready? Yep. Take the paper out. Okay. Ooh, what'd you get, Maggie? Papa. You got blocks. Yay! Those are heavy, Maggie. What do you want to open next, Maggie? This one, Maggie?
Megan, hold on.
Yep.
Maggie, that one's from Auntie Laura. Look at the blocks. Can you say thank you to Auntie Laura in my camera?
Yeah.
Say thank you, Auntie Laura.
Hello.
And thank you, Sean.
Hello.
And thank you, baby Natalie.
Hello.
And thank you, Uncle Alex.
Hello.
Okay.
All right. Hey, Daddy will open all the stuff that you have. Right, can you get the color?
There's another one, Maggie.
Oh, Peter, Maggie, get him. Mom, you want me to take this string off?
Mm-hmm.
Here, Maggie, I'll take this string off for you. Okay, here's the card. Here, don't worry about that. We'll do the cards last.
No, you do the card first.
Maggie, hold on. I need to read the card to you. We're going to read the card, Maggie.
Yes, Maggie, those are from Aunt Lisa. Can you say thank you, Aunt Lisa, in the camera? And thank you, Brandon.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Tyler.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Uncle Scott. Okay.
Megan got money.
Okay, that's from Grandma
Here, Maggie.
and Grandpa.
Open up. Peekaboo. Guess who's two? Sweet little you. That's who. Happy second birthday. Yeah! I can't read cursive.
That's okay.
I started it for you. Okay,
No, go open those.
Maggie, open this one.
I started it. You rip the top. Rip the top. Rip the edge.
Yeah!
Woo! Flip over here. Get it, Maggie? Rip it, Maggie. Rip. Look right. Rip like you're strong. What'd you get? You got a backpack.
What? Oh, Maggie, look what's on it.
A ladybug.
A ladybug backpack.
You want to wear it? You know who that's from? Grandma and Grandpa. Can you say thank you, Grandma? Thank you, Grandpa.
Maggie,
Say thank you, Grandpa. Do you want Daddy to put it on for you?
Yeah.
All right, let's put it on.
Hi, guys.
Here, Maggie. Put your backpack on.
Take this out.
Yeah, Daddy will do it in a minute.
One arm.
Bumper car.
There you go.
Okay, Maggie, let me see.
Mom, there's more money.
Your backpack. What do you say to Grandma and Grandpa? Do you thank you? All right.
Ready, Maggie? You want to listen to this?
Whoa.
Happy birthday. Let's party till the clams come home. Have a spontastic, get it? Spontastic day. Megan, happy second birthday on the 25th. Have a great time. Love, he's gonna take it off. Grandma Kohler.
Grandpa Kohler.
Grandpa Kohler. Happy birthday.
Okay.
Okay, let's do the second one.